Have you ever encountered a warning message that just makes you scratch your head? If you've recently upgraded to Swift 4 and are seeing the init is deprecated warning, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue head-on and find a solution together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your code suddenly throws warnings after an update. It feels like you're doing everything right, and then, bam, a roadblock appears. You're not the only one facing this challenge, and it's a common issue among developers. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, after converting my code from Swift 3 to Swift 4, why am I getting a warning that says init is deprecated when I try to convert a bool to an int? If this sounds familiar, stick around as we explore the solution. So, what does this warning mean? In Swift 4, certain initializers have been deprecated to encourage better practices. This means that the way you previously converted a bool to an int is no longer recommended. But don't worry, there are alternative methods we can use to achieve the same result. And make sure to stick around until the end. I have a great tip that will help you write cleaner Swift code and avoid similar issues in the future. To address the deprecation warning in Swift 4, the user should first understand that the method of converting a Boolean to an integer has changed. Instead of using NSNumber, we can use a simple conditional expression. Next, the user can implement a straightforward solution by using a ternary operator. This operator allows the user to check the Boolean value and return either 1, 1, or 0 based on its state. Now, the user should replace the old code with the new implementation. This will eliminate the deprecation warning and provide the desired conversion from Boolean to integer. Finally, the user can test the new code to ensure it works as expected. They should print the integer value to verify the conversion. Fun fact, did you know that Swift was introduced by Apple in 2014? It's been evolving ever since, and with each update, we get better tools and practices, just like how we evolve as developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to use the int value property of NSNumber. You can convert a bool to an int like this. Let x equals NSNumber, value false, int value. Another option is to use the initializer init exactly, which allows you to write let y equals int exactly, NSNumber, value false. Additionally, the numeric initializer has been renamed to init truncating. You can write let z equals int truncating NSNumber, value false, or let Xcode create an NSNumber implicitly by using let z equals int truncating false. Lastly, you can extend the binary integer protocol to create a custom initializer that takes a bool. For example, you can define it like this: extension binary integer init bool self equals bool 1 to 0. This allows you to convert booleans directly to integers. Here's that tip I promised. Always keep an eye on the Swift release notes. They provide valuable information about deprecated features and new best practices. Staying updated can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You've learned how to handle the init is deprecated warning and convert a bool to an int in Swift 4. Remember, keeping your code updated and following best practices will make your development journey smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.